Let's go show Jason Britton how to do proper sit downs using the handbrake. He's looking out his window just shaking his head like my circles got tighter. Look at this Red Bull truck. What the hell is this? Look at this thing. You think he can roll his window down? That's so cool. What did this start life as?
Dodge 1500.
No shit? That's crazy looking.
Yeah.
Alright, take it easy. I just want to check it out. Bonkers, man. Monkey wheelies. First monkey wheelies I've seen. One-handers. Oh my god. Turn, Mitch. Yep. That's the best I can do. 3, 2, 1, go. Skirt. You won. Monkey's cool. Oh, Lewis is trying to break a rib. GoFundMe's are over, bud. You should get a monkey. It's Stoppies better. This is what happened last time. You got all cocky and shit. He started behind you. Yeah. You suck, bro. Fuck. Hey, there's a fence there, man.
I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop.
Wheelies, how can you have wheelies in your videos, Photogromer? Well, good news. Today we have a video sponsor. So I want to tell you guys quickly about Vikings War Clans. Boom, there she is. So I've been playing Vikings for the last couple months and it's very addictive. I mean, as you guys can see, it's pretty sweet with the graphics. It's very rich. You can zoom in, zoom out. What's great about this is it's a browser game. You don't have to download anything. You don't have to register. This is my little village right here, but if I hit this, I got the global map. I'm playing with gamers around the world. You can see all these people right here, all gamers. One of my favorite things about this game besides the visuals and the gameplay is the music. Listen to this. So when I'm editing wheelie videos, or I just got a demonetization email from YouTube, I just crank up the music, play a little bit, and take my mind off other things. Very addictive game. All right, join Vikings for free today by clicking the link down below in my description box. When you do, you're gonna get 200 gold coins, which will make the Grom clan a reality. You guys can join me in game. We'll attack some Z125 clans. I'll see you in game. Thank you to Vikings War Clans for sponsoring this video. Let's get back to some wheelies now. What did he say? What did he say?
Both wheels on the ground.
Oh, f that. Hey, both wheels on the ground. Okay. This is a sketchy ass lot. Oh no, it collapsed. Oh, this is a construction site. Yeah. Nope.
Is that possible?
Yeah, these three things. I think they all fell out now.
I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop.
All the wheels on the ground. Oh, we're not gonna be invited back. This is where we were off-roading in there somewhere.
No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. Time to play, got updates. Had a plan only.
I don't know where David went. I just looked back at David. Oh, my sunglasses fell off. I bet he was a nice guy and stopped and picked them up. Thanks, bud. I thought he crashed and then I went like this. I saw my sunglasses gone. I was like, oh, nice guy. Look at my throttle. Holy shit. Look at this.
Wanna go meet Jason?
Where's he at? Oh, there he is. Yeah, let's go talk to him. What's up, man?
What's up?
Eric, good to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What's up? What's up? What's up?
What's up? You giving him tips?
Yeah, trying to learn how to wheel. Yeah, figuring, he'll be alright though.
I'm available for hire.
So he's like, oh yeah.
They're doing the same thing that they're doing over there, but the Cowies. Oh, they got it actually drawn out. Look, they got like a little track.
I think he used their Kawasaki. Oh,
Yeah, you want to go rip it?
can't do Honda like that. And I'm like,
Well, we'll just crash them and walk away.
you can't post that. You're sponsored by Honda.
Yeah, but when I crash it, I'll be like, I can't ride this. And I get back on the Honda and I'm like, "Wah, da, da, da." Look at this. Bam. Could be Lewis Stunts, but he's not that good. Damn, Lewis, take that to the stunt lot. So that was Jason Britton. If you guys don't know who he is, professional stunt rider. He's like one of the few that has actually made it like to that level, which is a ridiculous level. Him and Rodney are in deep in chat, so I don't know. I feel like a little awkward just sitting there. Would have been cool to get a picture with him. But look at this, we got, don't crash in the tram, we got a Grom squad with us. We're gonna go drop off their gear in our tents. That way they don't have to haul it and go right around a bit. Oof. Watch that. That is slippery. That was really slippery. It's getting warm out. The sun needs to go away. Where's the rain?
Trees in the woods.
Yeah.
Would be good.
You want to go do that?
Off-roading, yeah.
Oh, this one's stretched over here. Are you guys down to the off-road, or you want to keep it on the pavement, or what?
Yeah, they want to do some off-road.
They want to do off-road? Okay. You asked for it. I assume they leave the gate open because they knew we would get bored. So I'd like to give a shout out to Nick for leaving that gate open for us. And if he didn't, thanks anyway. Like one guy said, my Grom stretch. Well, no one told you to stretch your Grom out. Mistakes were made. Oh shit. I told her that was the worst part back there. Somebody's going down here. It might be me. I'm gonna stop and watch. All good, all good. Oh, oh, oh. Good save. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. I didn't have enough momentum. Damn it. Ah. I need more momentum. I bogged out.
What is that?
I don't know. It's just that. Get off me. Come on! Yeah! Pin it, pin it, pin it! Oh no, 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 keep going, keep going! I think he's done. Once you lose the forward momentum, you're going back down. I mean, we should probably go help him, but he goes and videotapes closer. He made it! Come on, Lewis! Yeah, I saw.
Yeah!
There you go, Aaron and his wife, 2 up. Yes. Nice. Gas, gas! Oh shit, oh shit. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no! Nice turnaround. He just gave that look of, what am I doing with my life? Hey, go back and do it again. Oh, there's no getting out of that. Oh, he's going down a ditch. Oh, geez. Oh, oh, oh. And he's down. It's crazy when you lose the momentum, it just goes. He's gonna be posting that tonight. Stretch kit for sale. Trade for some tires. He's determined if he wants to be a part of this life or not right now. His brain's like, this is what I'm doing with my life. This is it. Rolling around the fucking mud. Wait, you want help? You're almost there. Oh fuck.
Stretch bike.
Stretch bike life. Alright, ready? Don't fucking dust me. Hold on. Stop honking your horn. I'm trying! Stop honking at me! Jesus! Aaron's pushing me. I guess I gotta go get my bike. Oh, fuck. Don't bust your ass. I was just making fun of them. Ooh, fuck. Whew. When you hit that dip, it's gonna kick you to the left, but just the right side's a little bit better.
Yeah, I was looking at the right side.
Yeah, he went into the ditch. Going down. I thought you were just gonna, you went down as soft as I thought was possible, because I was like, oh, we've got something broken. There's no grip on these. Oh, fuck! Ow! I think you're gonna live here, David.
There's no grip at all on any of your brakes. Like your tires just...
Alright. Huh? No, I'm done. Alright, I don't know how much recording because my battery got unplugged and the GoPro shut off, but I rolled backwards down the hill and fell off and belly flopped. Lewis was laughing. Aaron's gonna try. 2 people now have gone backwards down this thing. Three people. Just let go of the brake. You'll go down faster. Nope. And back down.
So it's not just me.
No, it's not just you.
That's why, buddy.
As soon as I stopped and I went backwards, I was like, yep, it's not just him. Look at those Dunlop tires, baby. Woo! Nope. Nope. Yeah. That's where I went, right? Right there? Or right before that?
Right before that,
yeah. Damn. Couple goals here. On a side note, speed and strength, they're pretty flat on the bottom. We'll be right back. Alright, we're back. GoPro shut off again, but I think it's just me hitting the battery pack. So hopefully we'll make it out of here in one piece. We're gonna go visit Dunlop, see if we can't get some 604s for everyone else on the outside. Wow. Oh shit, there's like mud on the side, so as soon as you lean a little bit, it just slides out. Let's go hit up Dunlop, see if they got those tires. If they mount them.
I wish I had my camera.
How did it look? What did I do?
You were like this, holding on. You just went like this.
He said I belly flopped. I was trying to like save the bike and not fucking go topple it over. That's all I could think of was just get off and fall down. Fuck you, Lewis. Oh shit. We're getting the fuck out of here. I'm so glad I put these tires on though.
I'm gonna move this.
It's a whole tree. How are you gonna move it? Yeah. That's good. That's good. You can get by. Now there's a big spike waiting to hit someone in the face. Move that. That's worse. Instead of a log going across, there's now a spike waiting to stab someone in the head. We got to pull it out. It's behind this tree. Yeah. Yeah, that's better. We're doing our part, Barber. Fuck. Happy breeding day. Woo! Freedom! Hell yeah. Here's the MVPs of Barber. Stretch life. That's awesome. If you consider that fun, we find the fun. Stretch Grom might not consider that as fun as we do, but you never know. Maybe that was the motivation he needed to unstretch his Grom, put some knobbies on, and send it. Let's go say hi to Wade at Dunlop. You got the 604s, right?
They're still next door.
Can you mount them?
No.
Oh. Well, that takes half the fun.
Where'd you go?
Eh.
I don't want to know.
Nick, stop asking questions.
You didn't find me.
Wait till the video comes out and then send me an email. Tell me I'm not invited back. Oh, fuck!